confirm. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So is it
Still
visible?
screen is not
NIS.
visible.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now
Sir,
visible, sir. Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Try again
So
that. Yes, yeah. Now it's visible.
yeah, perfect. Just be here now because of the internet connection. Maybe it was there. So just be here. I was there in this particular NIS 3D print exchange, which was developed by the medical expert of USA. So what they have done, they have just kept all the designs related with the medical field. I have also touched that particular scope of this particular engineering field in collaboration with the medical experts. Okay, so you can also help the medical experts and you can practice these terms, like this is the bend testing protocol for nasal swabs. Okay, for the nasal swabs they have started this particular machines. This is the go no go gauge for the protocol for the nasal swab, means how you can check that it is okay or not. So these are the tools or operations you can start printing or downloading with the help of this particular websites, which are going to help various medical experts. Okay, and you can assess them. And next is GrabCAD. You can, this is also one of the platform where you can get various kind of tools, or you can say models related to the 3D printing or additive manufacturing field. Just you have to search it out, and various webinars are also there where you can also enhance your capabilities related to the additive manufacturing field on all the websites. Okay, you can go and enroll yourself. Either they are paid or maybe free, so you can get enhancement of capabilities in this particular field. You can get it done. So this is the GrabCAD website from where also you can get various number of models here. Okay, either related with the prototyping, racing, or any kind of Indonesian verse. If you want to see the shape and size of this particular verse, then you can have a scalable model of that. Next is the trace part. This is very nice and wonderful thing which is related with the especially mechanical engineers. Let me type gearbox here. Like if you want to have some parts which should be manufactured by other experts. Okay, so this is the gearbox with axle for the electric drives. Okay, which are manufactured by Gimek Transmission SRL. This is the manufactured unit. And if you want to have, or if you want to purchase n number of items like 10 or 20, okay, then you can request for the quotation of that particular item. For that you have to sign in, because your authentication is required here. Otherwise, if you want to download, or suppose if you want to just see that how it will look like, or it is suitable for your particular application or not, or what is the configuration of this, then you can just download the CAD model either in STL file format or any other file format if you want to customize it according to your need. Okay, so you just download it in STL file format. It will be downloaded. If your authentication has been done, means your only email ID and password is required to just register in this particular website. And after that, you can freely download this particular thing and you can practice on this particular model of that. And all the specification, means technical specification is also there. Means this is the whole fully technical website for most of the mechanical engineers can have the hands on, like they are struggling with many kind of components which are not easily available in the market. So that you can directly download it from this particular website, and you can customize according to the need of your particular thing. So this is all about the trace part, which is product content everywhere. Means these are the things which are related with the most of the mechanical engineer can get help from this particular thing. So last one is Aggie. As you all know, is it visible? Can one of the participants just say yes so that I can go ahead? Is it visible?
Sir.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So Aggie is the website, or it is also called as search engine for 3D printable models, like Google and Yahoo. This is the search engine for 3D printable models. Just type aggie.com and now you can search anything here. Like I have to search mask again. So it will give you a mask, COVID-19 mask. Let me go ahead. It will give you the COVID-19 mask either developed or uploaded in any kind of online web page. Okay, as you can see here, whenever you will click on any image, you will see that this is download for sale. Means this is, means you have, if you want to download this part, then you have to pay something. And this is a website from CG Trader. This is for sale again. This is free. This is download free, and this is the website is Thingiverse, means you can directly click here. This will directly send you to that particular page from where you can directly download this model. Okay, so in this way you can search that either it is developed or uploaded in any kind of web area, then you can download it according to your need or customization thing. Okay, so this is called as search engine for 3D printable models. So as I have quoted in the 10 principles of additive manufacturing, that zero skill is required. Zero skill is not saying that you should be illiterate. Okay, this is not the primary requisite of that particular thing. But if you are not having good hands-on on 3D modeling software, then also you can start your particular startup or start practicing on this additive manufacturing field with the help of this particular technology. Okay, you can just download this and customize it according to the need of this particular applications. Okay, so let me go to the next one. This is the Aggie which I have sourced, and whenever you will click on the any kind of image, you will see that it is free or it is paid. If it is free, then you can download it easily. If it is paid, then you have to, this is for sale, so you have to pay some amount of this particular thing. Okay, and these all are, most of the time they, it will redirect you to the web page of that manufacturer or web page of the uploader where it is already uploaded. So this is all about this particular pages which we have covered. This is Aggie. I'm just recalling it so that you can recall it once. This is the trace part, especially for the technical version of all the mechanical engineering equipments. This is GrabCAD. This is NIS 3D Print Exchange. This is My Mini Factory. There are also various items. You can go for the home and garden or various categories. I will say, if you want to have some kind of stools in your home, just click here. It will redirect you that particular page. You can download it and get it printed and assemble it at your home. A unique shape size of stool you will get it, and similarly various more parts you will get it for according to your needs. About lighting is very fashionable item in, as Diwali is at our home or in most of India, this festival is going to be celebrated. So you can just have such kind of stand, just keep one LED bulb inside and this will illuminate like this. Okay, so in this way you can also start, or even you can set up your own startup to just sell these products. This is very trending and very demanding, and you can also customize, like if you will get a pen or a mobile phone like iPhone, you used to just quote your name at the back side of that cover. Okay, so that cost of that particular product will be higher to the uncustomized version of that particular model. So similarly you can also practice the or start your own startup in this particular field just by getting printed. Okay, or get it printed with the help of one of the 3D printer you have purchased. Okay, so the first one we have touched is Thingiverse. Okay, which we have quoted that you will not get most of the validated design here. If you want to get the validated design, then you have to jump to this particular website. So till now, if you have any query, just let me answer that query. After that, I will tell you that how you can customize the downloaded design. And the last topic or last objective of my session is how you can convert your images into the 3D CAD model, that I will touch here. Till that time, if you have any kind of query, please answer. Sorry, please ask here so that I can answer your queries. Anyone? Any participants? Is it audible? Can you just confirm once so that I can have few questions?
Yes, sir, audible.
Audible? Yeah. Please, anyone, if you have any kind of question, please ask. Or you can also write in the chat box.
Sir, what about metal printing, sir? Metal
Yes, sir.
printing of models.
Got it. So metal printing is also in present era, it is working. It is already there in our India. Also, few of the premier institutes are having the metal 3D printer, and out of that, two I have known. One is NIT Warangal having one metal 3D printing machine, and IIT Bombay is also having the metal 3D printing machine at their campus. So if you have any kind of application or any product related to that, you can contact to those labs. They are ready to help you out. And related to the materials, means most means the I will say the steels which is like stainless steel or low carbon steels, they are easily getting printed. Okay, but for the hardest material like titanium Okay, so such kind of materials are not able to be printed with the help of 3D printers as of now. Some of the researchers are working on that particular field. Soon it will be resolved. They will love to share their work to you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Anyone else having any query? Then please ask. Else I will. Okay. Hope few questions I will get at the end. So let me just complete my talk with the term. So as you have to customize your things. These are the top models which I have generated in various previous sessions of mine. So you have to go to the AutoCAD Tinkercad. This is the open source software. This is open source CAD modeling software. Just create your ID and password here. My ID is already generated. I have already created my account here. And after that, you have to click on the create new design. Okay. So after that, creating the new design, you can customize your items. Okay, like I will just give you the demonstration of one, so that I am just giving you a simpler one, and after that you can also practice huge amount of content or huge amount of models you can create. Suppose there are basic shapes. I am going to take one basic shape here as a box here. Simply you can drag it. Okay, after dragging it, if you want to play with the dimension, you can play just by dragging those arrows. As you can see here, I am just dragging the arrows from one place to other, so that in this way also you can, and if you are dragging the corners, then it will drag it into 2 dimensions. So this is the box which we have created or constructed here. And now what I want to do is, just I want to write the name of your college at the top of this. Okay, now what I have to select, I have to select the text here. Just select the text here. I have dragged the text. Now I have to write the name. I will not write the full name. I just write the MBM here. I have write the name MBM here. And after that, these are the two entities here. If you will print, this will be a two components or two parts. One is this MBM. One is this particular is I can say cube. Okay. And after that, if you want to merge or combine these two things, how you can do? Only one trick I will say here, that you have to check the depth of this. Suppose the depth of this particular cube is 50. I will take it as 40 here. Just I have typed 40, and after that, what I will do, I will just lift this MBM from the platform to the top as 40, so that it should be at the phase of this, so that whenever you will merge, this should be immersed in this particular field or particular top of this particular sheet. Okay, while in various 3D modeling software, what we used to do, we used to match the layers, or I will say this particular top face and bottom face of this. If we will merge these two faces, then these two items will be assembled. But while this is a simple layman language, I am just telling you that just match the dimensions. Like this is 40, and the upliftment of this particular MBM is also 40. And after that, you have to select it either with the help of Control A, or just select by dragging the mouse. You have to select these two components. Then you will see there is a command on the top side of that which is called as group. Okay, just click on the group. Your two items will become one unique item, which is a customized version of that. You can see I'm just rolling it out so that you can feel it. Okay, so this is a whole customization which you have done with this particular cube. Initially it was simple. Now, and you can also play with the dimensions. So this will look like this. Okay, you can get it printed and gift it to your professors, your colleague, your friends. Okay, or either you can keep it in your office or home. Okay, so in this way you can customize any shape or any item. This was I have just designed here. And similarly, if you want to import any item, you can also import the 3D CAD model here, and you can customize according to the need. Okay, now what I will do, I will tell you that how you can convert your STL file format into the 3D CAD model. So this is the link which I have already given it to you. So what you have to do, you have to go to this particular web page and upload your models, and where you have to go, you have to convert. Suppose I have already downloaded the image of MBM logo, which is there on the first slide of mine. How it will look like, let me showcase you. Hope most of the participants are aware about this logo of MBM Engineering College, Jodhpur. So what I will do, I will just convert this logo of MBM from, and where you have to click on the convert to SVG. Okay, SBG. Okay, I'm not going to touch that how what is the meaning of this SBG. Just click on the SBG file format, so that whenever you will start converting this into SVG file, I have already downloaded, so I will take it from that. I have, let me go ahead. This one is there, so this one I have uploaded, and after that I will convert it into, sorry, this was not that file format. Let me just showcase you, just give me a minute. Yeah, this is the download file. You can see the picture here. This is the logo of MBM. One of the participants can just unmute and say yes. Is it visible?
Sir, now it is visible.
Visible now? Okay. So this is the photo which we have already downloaded from the MBM website. Now what I will do, I will select that particular image. Let me select that particular image. Let me enlarge it so that everyone can see. So this is the picture. This is the picture which I have taken it, and after that I am going to convert it. Start conversion. This is going to be converted into .svg file, and after conversion, this has become as download.svg. Now I have to download it in 15 minutes. After that, it is already downloaded in the download tab. Now what I will do, I will recall it here. Let me just delete this particular term. This is deleted now. Now let me import it. Everybody can see this particular Tinkercad website. Can one of you say yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So I have to import the shape here. So what it will do, either you can drag and drop any 2D or 3D model. So I'm just uploading one of the 2D model, which is already we have downloaded. So this is here, I have downloaded. This is, as you can see, something which is related with that. And now you can also scale it according to the shape and size. I'm not scaling here. I will scale it in the work plane whenever it will come here. So it is just importing. Hope most of you can recall it. Is it visible?
Sir.
Yeah, perfect. So let me complete it according to the work I'm having here. So I have placed here, this is the logo of MBM. I will give some kind of depth to this so that you can feel it perfectly. You can see this. Whatever dimension or depth you want, you can give it to this. And if you want to write the name of your department, just write it here. Let me write ME here, which is mechanical, and I will place this. What is the depth of this? This is depth is 20. So let me drag it here. Just a minute here. Okay. Let me drag it. This is at the base. Now I have to lift it from the bottom to 20. Okay. 20. And let me just reduce the size. Just a minute. Okay. It is already inverted. So if you want to keep it here, you can keep it as per the need. You can keep it here, and after that just select both the models and just group it. Now your model will look like this, means the logo has been customized for the mechanical department. Okay, so in this way you can also see that, or you can play with the customization version of your any kind of image. Even you can print your own image in the 3D CAD model. Okay, so just click your image nicely and convert it into SGL file format. And only one thing which is important here, if this is not a closed loop, means if it is not closed, then definitely there will be some kind of distortion whenever you will remove this part. Means as you can see in the logo, these flex are not closed with this whole circle. If you can connect this, then definitely it will be printed in single go. Otherwise there will be a huge chaos. Okay, means there will be some trouble in printing of this particular item. Okay, similarly you can design or customize according to your need and place in the particular field. You can see this nicely printed designed model. Now you can, I have just customized it as ME for the Department of Mechanical Engineering here. So this is all about whatever I need to cover in this particular session. If you have any kind of query, then you can ask, please. Sheikh Afzal, Sheikh Afzal, Kailash sir, is it visible? My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so Yeah, I have given the demo customization work of this software, which is, and this software is also free of cost.